We are in Kansas City, Missouri, and this is the hotel that we're staying at. Very nice. This is one of the views. Kansas City, Missouri. These beautiful, gorgeous flowers. Kansas City. Look at this.
Yeah, you can't do two. Like the Echo that flew this morning.
Look at this cool building. Look at this cool building. Pretty flowers. Cool building. Wow. This is an awesome building. Look at that. Look at these gorgeous flowers here. So pretty, all the way down the street and back. Here we go with the beautiful flowers again. And I actually saw them planting some flowers, so it must not get that cold here. Look at these cool buildings. Look at this adorable place. Oh my gosh, I guess it's an Italian restaurant. How fun. We're going to a place that is going to be down under this alley. How cool. This place is apparently not open yet, but look at how cool that place is. All these cool restaurants. The Cobblestone Walk. Our place where we're gonna go have Kansas City barbecue. There's my Caroline. Look at this place. With the fire going. And there's the doorman. This is the restaurant that we are going to be eating at. How cool is this? Wow. Look at this place. How cool is this?